Welcome to the jungle. Hello, what can I get for you? Pick your favorite. First, wash the raspberries. Add sugar for some sweetness. Drop in some ice cubes. Turn it on. Good job! Pour it in the glass. Spray some whipped cream. More fruits, please. Slice it. Wow, it looks delicious. Good job. Very nice. Collect your bonus coins. Hello, what can I get for you? Pick your favorite. Let's make iced coffee. Press and hold the button. Drop in some ice cubes. And pour some milk. Great! Now blend everything together. Looks great! Spray some whipped cream. A bit of caramel. Yay! Good job! You are the best barista. Looks delicious. Collect your bonus coins. Hello, what can I get for you? Pick your favorite. Welcome to the jungle. Let's have some fun. Catch those funny meerkats.
What?
Look how cute they are. You are awesome! Level 2. Watch out for bombs. Good job! Level 3. How adorable.
What? What?
Ouch!
What?
Ouch!
What?
Good job! You are the best!
What?
Collect your bonus coins. Let's have some fun. Let's check your memory. find two identical pictures. It's getting harder.